Yesterday for reading, while I was working with some groups, the rest of you guys were working on the country that you were given to find out this stuff, okay? Where it says what is the population, who can remember what the word population meant? Casey?
It means how many people in the country.
Okay, yep, how many people live there, or how many people are alive there right now? Who can spell people for me?
P-E-O-L.
Lucas, go.
P-E-L-E.
Tifia.
P-L-E.
Yeah, P-E-O. That's a
like
funny little word.
Yeah,
It's
that's
like,
pretty
yeah.
hard.
Okay, so you needed to find out how many people live there. Okay, when you got to the where is it thing, what do you think you needed to do? Which we sort of did yesterday afternoon. Rajib?
Which side is it on and what country side it's on?
So what, yep.
I'm trying to, which side?
Oh, because we had little arrows, you had to decide which way your arrow went. So what were we doing with our little arrows, Kiana?
We're putting them on the world map.
Okay, so we've all got our countries up there now, and it looks pretty busy and exciting up there. It was cool. And Lucas, you were our superstar. How did you find the country so easily? What did you do?
I went on Google Earth and see where it was next to other countries.
Okay, so, and then you went and found it on the map. Cool, because you were pretty awesome at that. Okay, Rajib?
I thought on Google Earth that when the world turns around the speed, it shows which way it does go.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that one I was trying to do.
I find Google Earth is okay, but I actually find looking up the country on the world map was easier for me instead of actually using Google Earth, because sometimes with Google Earth when you zoom in you can't actually see where it is and you have to zoom out and you lose your country. But anyway, it was up to you how you did it. Okay, what do I want you to do with this bit here that says houses? What are we looking for there? Casey?
The houses look like.
What the houses look like? What do you reckon, Matua?
You have a picture.
Oh,
This is a question.
Yeah, what are we doing for the houses bit?
Like what? Like which colour it is or something?
Okay, so you're looking at what it looks
And
like.
even where's thingy?
And
What are they made of?
yeah, what they're made of, because they might be made of different stuff. You're allowed a picture, but do I just want pictures?
No.
What else do you need to have?
Here.
Leon, what else do you need to have?
Writing
About,
the
Country?
so you're going to describe what it looks like and what it's made of, perhaps? Okay? Look, it's an itch. What does this word here mean?
custom.
What does it mean? That's what it says.
Custom.
Bree, do you know what customs means? It was another word that meant something similar. I'm going to write it at the top.
Like badges or something.
Oh,
What does that word say?
Traditional.
What does it say?
Traditional.
What does it say? Everyone, what does it say?
Tradition!
Tradition. So what are customs and traditions? Taniora,
Like their clothing and stuff.
what do you think customs and traditions are, Kiana?
What they do.
What they do? So is going to school a custom and tradition?
Yes.
I think.
Isn't that just what we
Yes.
do?
Oh yeah.
Okay. What do you think a custom and a tradition
custom
is?
means like our haka is like a Māori one, and there might be a Pacific sort of.
Okay. Yep. So it's things that just that country does. Like in you go to festivals and things, don't you, Rajib?
Yeah, we
And
have-
that's something that just Bangladesh does.
Yeah, like God.
Yep. So you might have religious customs, you might have religious traditions, that kind of thing. So anything particular that just that country does. Okay. Same here. Traditional clothing. I just don't want you to find a picture of someone wearing jeans and a shirt.
No.
But what would you search for in Google if you were looking for that one? What do you think, Matua?
Like I feel like
What
Like-
words would you put in your search?
you put your country first and then clothes.
Costumes.
Taniora?
Put traditional costumes in your country.
Do we want clothing? Do we need the word costume? So you could put traditional clothing of Sweden if you were doing Sweden, or traditional clothing of Norway or India or whatever the country is. But use the words in the bubble to help you. Okay, same with this one. Do I want a photo of McDonald's?
No.
I circled it on my iPad. It hasn't shown up there. Oh, there we go. So what do you think you're looking for that one? Desire? This one here. What do you reckon we're looking for?
Cakes.
Food.
What's your country? China. So what do you think a traditional food in China would be? That is a pretty easy one. What's... Excuse me? Desire, what's something that Chinese people probably eat with every single meal? Starts with rhymes with mice.
Rabbits.
Excuse me? Shh. Rice, okay? Is that what you're going to say? Who said rabbits? Okay, so this one, I don't just want you to find one food because there's probably more than one traditional food. So, shh. You might, what I'd like you to do, once you've finished finding the other stuff for the traditional food, is to design a menu with food from your country. Okay? So what would they have? Maybe do a breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert. What would they eat for all of those meals in that country? Okay? Your hand needs to go up. No, I'm only using explain everything so that I can record it and show you. You are going to do your find your information in inspiration. When you get up to the bit that is the menu, you can make your menu in pic collage so it looks cool. Okay, but you need the words and the pictures to go with your menu. Okay, Zayden, you weren't here yesterday, so those are the things that you need to find out, and I'll give you a country. So start by copying those bubbles, which is going to be on the blog. Okay? Right.